The pleasure to welcome what the speakers must be made. I take the pleasure to welcome the chairperson today, Mr. Sabiti, who is the head teacher Mayanga Primary School. Alwango, the Minister for Gender and the one for the ladies.
I don't want to say breathe in and then out. I don't want to say breathe in and then out. Because
Sylvester, the General Secretary of our association.
We are sorry. As I was beginning to speak to you, occasion is arriving, and the delegation has gone to receive him. Now this is the third year. We are having celebrations for the World Teacher. Yes, we are proud.
Honestly, I know what you people you go through. And when you rise up, and we happen to join you to raise the voice up, by the time we start looking behind, you are nowhere to be seen. You have left us alone. It pains. It pains. As a lawyer, I also am an advocate. I go to court. Few years back, you heard about the state attorneys and magistrates operating under the umbrella associations, judicial officers, something. They staged a protest. It was in respect of a salary. It prolonged almost for a month, and all of you don't know where it ended. But what I can assure you, the judiciary had to put government on tension, and they came up with what they call the Administration of the Judiciary Act. What is entailed in that act? A judicial officer, like a magistrate who is at the rank of magistrate, those ones whom you see there at the other court near the district. The chief magistrate is earning 5 million less other facilities which are accorded to her. But according to that law which was enacted, even when he retires now, he continues to receive that salary until he dies. But sometimes you also let us down. There is this solidarity song which you have been singing here. Please always think about it. Together you can push and reach far. When it comes to whatever is challenging you, when it comes to salaries, because this is everywhere, when you look at the doctors, you heard theirs was worked upon. Magistrates, I have told you, but whoever is a magistrate, whoever is a doctor, whoever is a lawyer like me, whoever is an engineer, he went through your hands. Therefore, it becomes unfair when promoting or elevating the salaries and you start to become discriminative. Then these science teachers are supposed to be highly paid, then the arts teachers are supposed to... At the end of the day, you all know that you cannot teach science when you don't know English.
Let us make innovations in our teaching profession. Let us be better teachers as we also make better learners. I would like to say that this day makes us remember of the challenges that we have and how best we can overcome them. Let us pray that the government, as other people will come to address you, know the challenges of the teachers and they are going to address them. Despite that...